here is how you can take off the parental controls on your Android phone. Let me talk about it and give you the way you can make that work. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So you can go to your main settings app, and if you scroll through the available menus, you should be able to find the digital well-being and parental controls. So you will have the ability to see the stuff that's going on in here, and most notably the app timers. So you're gonna tap on it and, for example, delete the existing timers for those apps, right? So you can see that you have the ability to control it in here and or set up like a new one or delete it however you like it. You should also pay attention to the fact that this setting can be locked with a PIN code. So when I tap on the three dots in at the top right and go to the settings, I can set up a PIN code which is going to lock these parental controls. So if it asks for a PIN code, then you need to know it, of course, but it's not the one you use to generally unlock the phone. It's a separate one. So you kind of need to know that to set up the or take off the parental controls. But outside of that, you can as well scroll down a bit more and find the dedicated page to parental controls. And if you have that set up, it's likely going to move you over into the Family Link app, which, it kind of depends on how you have it set up. If you have the supervised account on your phone, then you will not really have much control over it, but you will need to use the phone or the account which is supervising you, and on that phone you can go to the Family Link app and kind of like disable the restrictions for websites or app downloads and so on. So that's something that you have the ability to control, but it really depends on how it's structured and which person can control it. So that's something that you have the ability to control and to take off. If you're not happy about it, let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'm gonna catch you later in the future uploads.